die moment iemand wil my sê, hy kyk uit vir 'n week, dan hou ek op om te luister. Ek is besig om mindere en mindere mense se bullshit te proses. Ek struggle meer en meer met hy, because ek vind uit dat 99% van die dinge in jou lewe, en ek praat met myself op, is jou eie skuld. Of moet ek sê, eie het jy skuld, is jou eie dop. Because as mense wat rondloop en sê, my marriage is nie waar ek wil hê dit moet wees. Yet they haven't had a constructive conversation with their partner in years. They haven't apologized to their partner in years. And they keep on doing the same thing that upsets their partner year after year. Daar is mense wat rondloop en sê, I wish I could lose weight. And then they don't take any steps to lose weight. In fact, the irony in that statement is that they say they wish they could lose weight while eating a high-calorie meal. A lot of us are asking ourselves, why are we not progressing at work? But our first knee-jerk reaction when they ask you to go over and do the extra mile is to say no. You ask yourself why your life is not becoming positive, yet you are a negative person. When somebody comes to you with a story, with an achievement, jou hart gaat onmiddellik naar die negative toe. And people, I found, and this is just an observation, people are not looking for advice. People are looking for an ear where they can dump their garbage into. And you need to be very careful that you do not turn your ear into a garbage can for other people's problems. Because nowadays, when you give people advice, their response is almost like, my bra, ek het nie gedink jy gaat vir my sê, ek is die een wat verkeerd is. Do you know that there are guys that come to you and complain about their partners while they are seeing other people? Nee, ek kan nie verstaan, ook is my kind so vol kakkie, man. Sy heeltyd in my phone, sy wil net weet wat gaat in my phone aan. En dan vraag ek, wat nou, kook iets in jou phone vir haar nie? Nee, jy weet, ek chat met Melissa ook, man, en Melissa, ek en Melissa chat ook. Well, there's your problem. There's your problem right there. Your wife probably knows you're chatting to Melissa. Because die way wat sy operate kan sy sien jou aandag as jy by haar nie. Sy complain dat, yo my broer, sy sien, ek het hier die tyd om te gaan study nie, man. Ek het hier die tyd om te gaan gym nie. Sy sien, ek het hier die tyd nie. Maar dan binge watch sy 'n hele series in 'n weekend. Plat. Sy sien, ek wens ek kan meer tyd met my familie spend. Ek wens, ja, ek wil net tyd met my familie spend. Vrydag aan, stryd van die week af. Halwe kus bier en hy op rasse toe. Jou motsie sien vir jou Saterdag aand. Your lady say for your daddy, don't you want to come sit outside? I'm going to ride my bike. I say, no man, I'm scrolling through TikTok. And guys, daar is mense, weet jy, daar is mense wat rondloop in die gedachte. In fact, daar is mense wat vir my try om te convince, Cedric, jy lyk mense afdruk. Weet jy, daar is mense wat actually vir my try om te convince, dat ek druk mense af. Cedric, sy lyk nie kyk op die mense, sy lyk mense afdruk, sy lyk mense indoen. Watte mense? Watte mense doen ek in? Watte mense kyk ek nie op? Watte mense druk ek af? En hoekom voel jy so guilty omdat ek sulke video's maak? Because guys, my videos is not coming into your house and telling you you're a piece of shit. Your conscience is doing that. I'm just pointing out behaviors. I'm just pointing out observations. Why do you feel that you are being attacked through my videos? Ja, jy lyk die breinmense afdruk. Okay, so wat jy eintlik sê is my videos apply in die breinmense. Of wat jy eintlik sê is Don't point it out because it makes me look bad. What are you saying? And that is the problem we have with our society today. Nobody is willing to improve. What they want to do is turn off the alarm. That is what they want to do. Do not turn on the alarm. Please look the other way when it comes to me and my bad behavior. Please do not point out my bad behavior. But I want to point out others' bad behavior when it suits me. That is the fundamental problem that we are having today. And what I have to say to you watching this video, if the shoe fits, wear it. The only person that can make the change in your life is you. But no, you are out here working yourself up over a video that I'm making. You are working yourself up. Sy maak posts oor my, sy try om vir my te affect met posts. And the only thing that you are proving is that my posts affect you. And that is why you think you can retaliate with posts. Oh, ek het 'n live gemaak oor Cedric. Ek het 'n live gemaak oor Cedric. Ek het gesê Cedric is 'n tande like skief. Cedric, Cedric, dis nou groot mense. Dis nou groot mense. Dis groot mense. Sy lyk ons al mense afdruk. Vir wie het ek afgedruk? Wys vir my vir wie het ek afgedruk, man. It's because you are walking around with a mentality that we mustn't point out your mistakes. You shouldn't be improving. Ja, jy judge mense. Okay, weet jy wat is judge? I find you guilty and I condemn you. That is judge. Maar nou weet jy wat as ek besig om te doen vir jare en guys, julle kan die gaan fact check, man. Julle weet jy hoeveel mense kan relate aan wat ek nou gaan sê. Vir jare was die ankel in die familie wat suspek is met die niggies en suspek is met die dogters en suspek is met die meisies in die pad. Daai ankel se kak was onder die mat gevee. Vir jare. Ons, die generation voor ons was baie goed in die. Jou maat Irie weer gesê, jy moenie gaan sit daar by ankel se skootie. Daai ankel is, sy kan hy ankel trasie. Maar niemand het nog nooit hy ankel polisie toe gevat nie. Die rumors loop die hele pad vol naar hy ankel. Moenie naar hy ankel toe gaan nie, die ankel doen die en die. Nobody's phoning the police because there is a culture of sweeping bad behavior under the mat. Because it's not my business. We went from your child is my child to it's not my business to explain yourself on social media to me. We deserve to know. That is the evolution. That is the evolution. So okay, it is what it is. Die feit dat sy die video nog sien, wys dat sy is baie interested in my. Die feit dat sy die video sien, wys my dat en sy ek praat met die wat van my hou nie, right? Die wat 'n probleem het met my. Why are you still watching this video? This video has been 8 minutes long. 8 minutes and 37 seconds. Why are you watching this video trying to find a reason not to like me anymore? Sy hou klaar nie van my nie. En ek gee klaar nie om nie. But yet here we are, right? So if you don't have the balls to block me, then please put in the comment section, block me, and I will gladly block you. Okay? So it's Friday out here. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend and keep well.